What's up, you guys? I'm going to recap you with last week's events for vlog. I think it's vlog number 271. That Monday, my son Darren and we ended up going to Six Flags Magic Mountain because you guys know our love for Six Flags since we are season pass holders. After that, we ended up having dinner with some of his friends who live in Valencia. They are part of the CFCY, which is Couples for Christ Youth. Ended up eating at a pho restaurant. So fast forward a few days, this was the day that we had to part ways with the 2018 Toyota Land Cruiser. We had the opportunity to test it out for our San Francisco road trip, which I'm gonna link the vlog up here in the corner. This is a 7-seater vehicle, 2 in the front, 3 in the middle, and then 2 additional seats in the back. Definitely super spacious and extremely comfortable, and we had plenty of space for our luggage and just extra bags and, you know, all of our snacks and stuff. It's a keyless entry car with a push to start engine. My husband was the main person who drove the Land Cruiser when we were in San Francisco, and he really liked driving the vehicle. He felt really comfortable in it because the seats are higher up. You even have this one compartment right in the center console where you can actually put some of your drinks, like say if you have any canned drinks, you can put it in there, and it was like a little mini fridge, which I thought was so unique. I've never seen that before. This Land Cruiser also had the 2 screen monitors in the back where you can also plug in like an HDMI as the DVD player. You could probably even plug in your PlayStation because it even has a 3-port plug. One of the best things I would say about the Land Cruiser would be the comfortability, because the suspension in the Land Cruiser makes the car ride just feel like you're floating on clouds. So thank you so much to Toyota USA for giving us the opportunity to test it out. This is about to go down, the 2-time spicy hot chicken flavor ramen challenge. I'm going to link it up here in the card area if you guys want to go watch it, but we're gonna see how it goes and hopefully all goes well. Just finished the spicy ramen noodle challenge. I'm gonna drink some jasmine green tea to detox because I feel kind of bloated now. Just because I ate the noodles, I can't even talk. Just because I ate the noodles pretty fast, so now I'm feeling like super bloated. It's definitely really interesting. I think it would have been really fun though if the fam joined in, but I mean, it's okay. I know Darren is not the type of person to eat spicy food. My husband loves spicy food, well, to a certain extent, but he can't really eat spicy food because of heartburn and stuff. Me, on the other hand, I just love spicy food. Put as much spice as I can on whatever I eat while I can. That was fun. I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made, and I'm gonna do some editing and all that stuff. Got a mocha frappuccino. I ended up getting the matcha with like light milk and something else. I wish I knew the name of it, but it's actually pretty good. If you like matcha green tea, this is good. And I skipped out on the whipped cream. I'm just running errands and we're gonna have dinner. I think we're gonna go back to that kebab place. My husband was kind of craving the lamb. So, I think that's what we're gonna go after this. What's up, you guys? Happy Easter. Hold on, I'm trying to like fix my hair. We're at Chuck E. Cheese. We haven't been here in at least like 8 or 9 years. It's been a long time. We were driving around in the area, and my husband, he's like, let's go to Chuck E. Cheese. We're also with Darren. I'm sure he's like, well, what the hell are we doing here at Chuck E. Cheese? But, you know, just thought it'd be kind of like a throwback to go to Chuck E. Cheese, play a couple of games. And it's been that long that, you know, since we've been to Chuck E. Cheese, that I guess now they don't have tokens. Now it's all about the Play Pass. Very similar to like Dave & Buster's, I guess. just leaving the tickets on the machine so that other kids can just take it. So we're not gonna get a prize. This is kind of like a alternative to Dave & Buster's, like a cheaper version of Dave & Buster's. Since we're not even really going for prizes, we're just here just for fun. We're not gonna drink anyway.